Waste is not waste until you waste it. Today I show you how to turn carrot pulp into the best muffins you've ever had. And at the end I need your help deciding chocolate, raisin or classic. This recipe is inspired by one of my favorite childhood snacks back in Italy, a very popular merendina called Camilla. It's simple, plant-based and now zero waste. Here's how it works. First we make the dry mix, then the wet mix, then we fold in the carrot pulp, bake and test the 3 variations. Without further ado, let's dive in. Starting with the dry, we have plain flour, almond flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, cinnamon, nutmeg and a pinch of salt. Mix them well as this keeps the muffin light and even. Now for the wet mix, we whisk together oil, apple sauce, brown sugar, vanilla and flax eggs until smooth and glossy. Here is where the richness comes in. For the moment we're waiting for, fold in the carrot pulp. Then gradually add the dry to the wet, stirring gently so the muffins stay tender. Divide the batter into muffin cups, about 2/3 full, and bake it until a toothpick comes out clean. Let them cool for 10 minutes before transferring them to a rack. And here they are. Golden, moist, and we're going to test them right now. So, chocolate is definitely my favorite one, but it's very close to the classic one. But I want to know which one is yours, so let me know in the comments. And if you like the full recipe, plus 70 more mindful dishes and systems for your kitchen, consider getting my book, The Mindful Kitchen Map. I'm gonna leave the link also in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for all things MENSCH. Until next time, peace!